Hello there, it's Greg Botus at Voelker Controls in Franklin, Ohio with another quick demo today using our UR5 robot along with a ROBOTIQ Model 85 gripper and a Model FT-150 force torque sensor. What we're going to show you today is that we're going to slide this block of wood along this tabletop in this direction according to a program that we wrote, and we're going to monitor the force of this block against the tabletop. Now I will tell you that the tabletop is not parallel to the floor, it's a bit uneven, so what we're going to observe here in our program on the UR robot is this value right here, which is called FZ, the force in the Z direction, which is going to measure and continue to adjust the force in the up and down direction, up and down against this block as we move along this tabletop. And you'll notice that it keeps it well within the value that we've chosen, which right here is 30 newtons. So here we go. We're going to play the program. The program is starting. The robot's moving down to the surface of the tabletop, and we're sliding along, as you can see. And as we slide along, we look here at the data from the robot, and I apologize for the blur, and you can see that it's moving between about 28 newtons and 32 newtons. We've done a lot of work on this program in order to keep it roughly that accurate. You saw it drop to zero there because the program is done. But as a proof of concept, we just want to show you that we're able to use that force torque sensor and move along a relatively uneven surface on this tabletop, which is propped up a bit at one end, and the robot made all the appropriate adjustments that needed to be made in order to keep the force on the Z-axis relatively continuous. This is a good application to use for buffing and grinding, sanding applications where you need to keep the force consistent of the part up against some sort of a grinding wheel or a buffing wheel, some sort of a sandpaper disc. And that's how we intend to present it to customers of ours. So a real rough demo, but thanks for watching. Once again, Greg Botus at Voelker Controls.